Hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Today I have another recipe for you guys using apple cider vinegar. Remember, apple cider vinegar can help boost that weight loss. It can also help detoxify your body as well. And that's one of the reasons why I really love apple cider vinegar. It just makes you feel better overall. And today I will be using the Crush. This is the Crush pineapple kind, and these are the singles to go. It has 6 packets in here. It is sugar-free and it is only 5 calories for half a packet. So that's about to use the whole pack, then it'll be 10 calories. But this is what it looks like. Here's the front of it, and here is the back of it. Now I did get these at the got these at the Dollar Tree, but they also do have them at Walmart, Family Dollar, Dollar Generals, and places like that. Pretty sure any grocery store you can find this because Crush is pretty popular. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that to make a nice fruity slushy for the summertime, and I know you guys still want to get that apple cider vinegar in without tasting that awful apple cider vinegar taste. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So I definitely will be using water to start off this recipe. I'm going to be using about 8 ounces, and I'm going to just fill up my NutriBullet cup. And I pretty much filled it to the max line of my NutriBullet cup. You can use anywhere from 6 to 10 ounces to make this recipe, just depending on how sweet you would like it. Also, you don't have to use the entire packet. You can use just half a packet if you want to, and it'll also be less calories if you only use half a packet. But for this video, I'm gonna go ahead and use the entire packet. You guys drink Crush soda, it smells and tastes just like the Crush soda, basically without the carbonation. So it's really good, especially if you like pineapple as well. So I'm just adding that to it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add my apple cider vinegar. We also do wanna make sure that whenever we're buying apple cider vinegar, make sure that it says with the mother on it, because that is where all the nutrients are. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my 1 tablespoon, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put 1 more into my recipe. And this is a nice drink. This is not something that you necessarily have to drink every day. I think this drink is something that's really good for the summer, and just if you want to go chill outside and still get that apple cider vinegar in. And now I'm just going to add a handful of ice. And that's pretty much it. And then I'm going to go ahead and seal it. And just shake it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. And that's pretty much it. It doesn't take long at all to do this. I honestly only blended it for about 5 seconds, and it already has that nice texture that I want. Now, you don't want to blend it too much because it can get watery, so you just want to make sure you blend it just enough. And pretty much once you finish, you have this nice little slushy drink, and it is absolutely delicious. And it's perfect for the summertime. So if you guys do try this recipe, have any other apple cider vinegar recipes, please be sure to leave that down below. Or if you guys give this a try, let me know. And remember, you can always add any sweeteners that you need, whether that be honey, Splenda, stevia, whatever you would like to add to this to make it sweeter and to your liking, go ahead and do that. If you need to add more water, add more water. If you need to add less water, add less water. But I hope you guys did enjoy my video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Give this a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe to my channel. See ya.